Are you tired of paying hundreds of dollars every month for a virtual assistant? What if I told you that you can now replace them completely with AI and still get 90% of the work done, faster and cheaper? Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Hi, welcome to AI Inside Hub, your go-to place for the smartest ways to use AI to work less and earn more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly drops. Let's start with the big question. Why should you even consider replacing a human VA with AI? Here are 3 powerful reasons. Cost. A virtual assistant can cost $300 $800/month. AI tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI, just $20 or even free. Speed. AI doesn't sleep, doesn't take breaks, and finishes tasks instantly. Accuracy and memory. AI doesn't forget instructions, and you can train it to work your way. Now let me show you how it actually works. Here's how to replace common virtual assistant tasks with AI tools starting today. 1. Email management tool, ChatGPT, free plus pro. Use ChatGPT to write and reply to emails. Just paste in the email and ask, write a professional reply saying XYZ. Boom, done in seconds. 2. Scheduling and reminders tool, Google Calendar plus Zapier or Motion AI. These AI tools can auto-schedule your meetings, send reminders, and sync everything together automatically. 3. Research and data collection. Tool, Perplexity AI or ChatGPT with browsing. Need someone to research blog topics, business ideas, or competitors. These tools do it in seconds with references. 4. Document creation tool. Notion AI, Copy.ai, or Google Gemini. From writing blog posts to summarizing long PDFs, AI can handle it all. Just give it a prompt like, write a 300-word blog on topic. 5. Social media content creation tool. Canva plus ChatGPT plus Pictory. Want someone to make your posts? Use ChatGPT to write captions, Canva to design images, and Pictory or InVideo to generate full videos. No camera, no editing skills needed. Let me show you an example. I'll open ChatGPT and say, write a professional reply to this client email. In less than 10 seconds, you get a polished, professional response, no human VA needed. To get the best out of AI, always be specific with your instructions, called prompts. Test different tools for different jobs. Don't rely on just one. Combine tools using automation platforms like Zapier or Make.com for best workflow. So yes, AI can now do 80–90% of what a virtual assistant does. Faster, smarter, cheaper. Would you still pay $500/month for a human assistant? Tell me in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to cut business costs in 2025.